Try finding the right screen to share. Alrighty. Um, let's see. I've been working with a couple folks, and we're kind of playing with some of the ideas around cubing. That sort of allows for someone to create a quote unquote cube of data and then potentially sort of requery that cube in order to power sort of embedded experiences and things like that. What I've done here is I've built a couple of cubes here. We're obviously working on ways to improve our optimizer's capabilities to potentially even reduce the number of cubes that need to be built. But this is sort of like a this is the first example of trying to get one of our embedded dashboards that we use in Gleam. So we can, it's one of the ones that is kind of used across the organization for demos, and wanted to plumb it up so that it could be used via cubes. So what you can see here is that like I can come in here and, oops, I don't know why that's not working. It's probably because I've disabled the ability to do regular querying. But I can change this to say Alaska, and everything comes from cubes. It's super fast. You can see here in the performance profile, everything is coming from the cube requery. I can change it to California. I really should disable this for demos. Nope, just choose that one again. But I can change these. Um, so I have a flag on my instance right now that does not let me run regular queries, which of course is making it so the scheduler is very mad at me. However, I can change this to any match here. See if it lets me do it from there. All right, Connecticut. And then it will do everything from the requeries every single time. And sort of this cube is built up. It is built on the data broken down by state. Then the requery on every single one of these queries goes across that, adds the state filter, and then can show the data that's going on here. And we're working on ways to make it more and more possible to hit these cubes. This one is a little bit of a contrived example, but pretty powerful if all of the data for, say, an embedded dashboard is coming from a cube, and at least for like an initial page hit, and then any interesting drills and whatnot can go and actually hit the data warehouse.